Hello friends, today I am going to draw this night blooming jasmine flower. Its scientific name is Cestrum nocturnum. In my mother tongue Telugu it is called Parijatam. Let me know what it is called in your mother tongue in the comment section below. It is a fast growing woody shrub. It has sweet and deep fragrance. But that fragrance connects me with my childhood memories. Do you know aroma and memories are intimately linked? Studies have shown that certain scents can evoke vivid memories of people, places, and experiences even from many years ago. This sweet and deep fragrance reminds me of the memory of collecting these tiny beautiful flowers and making floral jewelry with them like chains, bangles, rings, and playing with them with my friends. And also we kept them in a paper pot and floated them down in a running stream nearby my house and looking at them until they had disappeared. While I am drawing and after finishing that drawing, by looking at these flowers, I felt like again I live in that memory for some time. It is a beautiful experience. I felt like I am drawing my memories than the flowers. As I told in the previous video, while we are doing nature journaling, we have to ask 3 questions. What you notice, how you wonder, and what it reminds you of. The last part, what it reminds you of, takes us back and connects us with memories and feelings in the past. I like it very much. While drawing, I would like to share all these memories with you all. How is this video? Are there any scents in nature that take you back to your time in the past and connect you with the memories? How do you feel? What is your experiences? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to hear that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Hello friends, today I am going to draw this night blooming jasmine flower.